Hey everyone, welcome back to iPhone Bloke, the tech tuber where we help quality people to pick up quality product, right? So in today's video, I've got a very interesting substitute to WhatsApp, right? I'm talking about a substitute to WhatsApp, a substitute which could completely replace WhatsApp in the longer run. You wanna know? Let's get started. Right, so I was talking about an app called Telegram, which is going great guns, and this can be used as the most important app in 21st century with context to sharing, texting, instant messages, security, and whatnot. So today I'm going to talk about three important aspects of the Telegram app which you should use in case if you are in business, you are a YouTuber, or you happen to have any kind of social media interaction or a personal user. Number one, this particular app has got the most important security. So whatever text messages you do are going to be encrypted. Whatever data you're going to be sending, it's going to be encrypted. So if you are planning to have any business with context to the Telegram, if you want to have a high-end security with constant messages, personal chats, please download the Telegram app right away. It's one in a million kind of app and extremely helpful. Now, I'm somebody who is not a huge social media, let's say, user, but then as I happen to have an iPhone Bloke YouTube channel, I'm using Telegram pretty widely to connect with my audience and viewers, and trust me, it has given me a lot of access on good quality promotion and whatnot. So high-end security with context of messages, videos, and chats are absolutely phenomenal on the Telegram app compared to WhatsApp app. Number two, whatever information we tend to send with the help of WhatsApp, that takes a little time for us to send and push to the right person. On the contrary, on the Telegram app, it happens in a jiffy. It doesn't take time. And the best part about this wonderful app is the moment you send a message, right away get the confirmation with a blue tick that the message has been sent. And it's my personal experience from over, let's say, 6 to 7 months that it has been absolutely terrific with context of lightning speed, security, and safety. And whenever I've tried to send my, let's say, banking documentation or financial documentation or let's say personal documentation, it's highly safe and it's absolutely fast delivery as well. So high speed and security is also another point of context to point number two. Number three, and the most important thing, this is a sort of a messaging app which can collaborate 5,000 people in one particular group. Now, how does it sound to you if you want to have a big group in one particular clan? I think it's fantastic, isn't it? So why not start using it? Why not start spreading it? And why not start using Telegram for your personal business, YouTube, and whatnot, whatever platform you're on? Well, if you like this particular video, connect us with on Instagram. Of course, the Telegram app where we are available frequently answering questions, and much more interesting videos on SUV, technology, and unboxing. And of course, iPhones. Till next time, thank you so much, and you take care of yourself. Thanks a lot.